What's up, guys? Got a sweet video for you today. Michael, Lena, and Nick are coming out. Nick's gonna show you guys how to ride a Tri-Zinger and how to do it fast. So get up in there, boys. Check this out. Okay, come on. Weighs 40 pounds. Oh, I know. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Are you ready, Dad?
I'm ready, Nick. You count to 3? 1, 2, 3. Go! Oh, he's getting in on this one. You ready, boy? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. And that was a pretty good one. We'll do it this way again, and then we'll switch bikes and see if it makes any difference. He knows how to line up. Scared. You ready, boy? Yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, he got both of us. He said he's ready.
How about you count to 2?
Me count to 2?
No, you count to 2.
I'll try. You ready? 1, 2, go. You count to 3?
1, 2, 3, go.
That ought to work.
Everything is a race.
Yeah. Yeah, just bury it all. You ready, Nick?
Yeah.
3, go! Just all over that pipe. It's like pulling. You ready?
Yeah.
3. Oh, dude. I got a good reaction on his face for sure. Did you see what I did?
I was going as fast as I could for a minute. He passed me.
I just said 3 and he looks at you, go me, and he's like. Maybe you should count. Oh, Dad's gone. It's out. Every Tuesday and Thursday for all of December. Next Tuesday, full 440 kit rebuild on this thing. Got you a good video. It's about 40 minutes long. Some ripping, riding, a little bit of a review. Full Tri-Z rebuild, or top end on this Tri-Z rebuild, and some other things. We did do it. That video should be going up Thursday. BW80 I just finished. That video should be going up next Tuesday. Be sure and get up in there, guys. Videos every Tuesday and Thursday for all of December. Appreciate y'all.